it reminds of Bologna. Smells incredibly. That's so exciting! Hey guys, welcome back to Dramatically Expatic and welcome to Lyon, France! I'm so excited to finally be filming here. I'm so excited to be in France and to spend this time here, and I'm so excited to show everything to you. Just look around. Everything is so cute and so French. I don't know, I just love it absolutely, and I just want to share the city with you and to show it to you and inspire you to come here as well as Italy, you know. So if you're ready guys, let's go with me and let's discover this city together.
We decided to start our day at Notre Dame de Fourier, a stunning basilica on top of the hill. I suppose you can walk there, but you can also take a cable car. The two-way ticket costs only €3 and the road is super quick.
Guys, this place looks wonderful. It makes me think for some reason of Sacré-Cœur in Paris, although it doesn't have anything in common with that church except for the color palette and being on a hill. But look how beautiful and amazing this place is. Look at these intricate details. I honestly have no words. It's definitely worth coming here and it's definitely worth seeing this church. Wow, guys, you have to come here. The first chapel was built here in the 12th century on this hill, and ever since this place was considered by the locals as a miraculous place. People came here to pray when Lyon was devastated by plague or cholera and other diseases, and the city survived and the city prospered after that, and so this place is still a votive place, it's still a place where people come to pray whenever they need help or any assistance. Guys, the views from here are absolutely breathtaking. Another reason to come up the hill. The church looks very impressive from beneath as well, but from here you can see it closer and you have a bonus of these views. Wow, just look how beautiful Lyon is from above. It's really huge, it looks huge.
Something's in the air. I can feel it.
We're not going inside today because there is a mess inside and we can't film anyway. The church is absolutely packed with people and there is even TV waiting outside. It's a festivity today, it's a very big festivity, so it's quite understandable. However, that will be another reason for you to come here yourselves and see it all with your own eyes. Lyon, guys, is known as the gastronomic capital of France. Does it make you think of anything? Because to me it reminds of Bologna, because Bologna is also known as the gastronomic capital of Italy, so I didn't know it before today. I found out it this morning, and honestly I feel like it's some kind of a sign. It's not a coincidence, it's magic that the first stop in our French tour is Lyon. I am so excited to try local food, to be honest, but honestly, I need to find coffee first because I haven't had coffee today. I don't know what to expect from local coffee, but we definitely have to find it first.
So let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been
One of the most typical things to try in Lyon, according to my friend who used to live here, is praline rose, which is this kind of sweet made with nuts, I suppose. I'm not really sure what it is. However, let's try it. I got this tart with rose praline. Smells incredibly, an absolutely divine smell, but let's try. It's very good. It's not too sweet, just as I like it. And you have the nuts and this praline actually. And it's very nice. And all of it in this very nice dough. I love it. Can you guys see these passages inside the houses? It looks like these parts of the houses are actually hollow, and they are. These are called traboules, and they've been here in Lyon since the 4th century. Can you just realize how old these passages and these houses are? They've been used for various reasons by the locals, mostly by the silk merchants to transport their goods, their merch, and most recently they've been used by the French resistance to hide from the Nazi forces. And it's very unique to Lyon. You can find this kind of traboules in other cities as well nearby, however, they are the most typical in Lyon.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.
Here, guys, is one of these passages. I'm not sure we can be here, but let's have a look. That's so exciting. Oh, come here, come here, come here. Guys, there is this staircase. Okay, honestly, I suppose somebody lives here, but I hope they will not send me away. Look how cool is it, guys? There is this hollow window, the one I've been talking about before. Wow, that's incredible.
My way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I find my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way.
Bateau Mouche, guys, a famous tourist French boat, especially famous in Paris, was actually invented here in Lyon. And I think it's really cool that you can see a lot of them here. The river is absolutely magnificent, and I'm thinking about taking one. I'm not sure we'll manage to today, but I would love to go on a boat walk, on a boat trip along the river here in Lyon on the original Bateau Mouche. We just had lunch. We found a very nice cafe, brasserie, and I honestly loved it. The atmosphere was very cool and very nice. We got different dishes. I personally had pâté as a starter and andouillette, which is a very typical sausage filled with, I suppose, tripe, but I might be wrong, but it felt like tripe. All of it in the mustard sauce. And it was very good. Everything was very, very tasty. And now we're in this area, which looks like the shopping area, because behind my back there is a huge shopping mall actually. And yeah, there is so much space here. Like, it's very spacious compared to the old city. But still, I like it with all this French architecture and all the nice houses. It looks lovely. Guys, guess what? It's a holiday here today, and as I said before, it's a huge festivity, and most places, especially small, locally owned businesses that I love so much, are closed today. So, what would a girl do if she needs coffee and everything is closed? Starbucks saves me every single time when I'm not in Italy. I'm not a huge fan, but you know, it'll do since we don't have Italian coffee. Guys, the building of the Lyon Opera is my favorite so far in this city. I know that some people don't like this mix of modern and classic architecture, but I'm a huge fan of it. Just look how cool is this building. The opera was inaugurated in 1831 and then it was modernized in the 1930s with the addition of all these modern elements. And wow, I love it. I think it's so cool when you have this, you know, modern contemporary details in the middle of a historic city. That's the perfect balance, in my opinion, between history and technology and modern life. I absolutely adore this place. When I guys said we were going on the other bank of the river, I was a little bit wrong with the thing, because there are two rivers in Lyon, not one but two. Now that's the River Rhône, which is the second river in Lyon, and the Saône was the first one that we saw. So you can't really cross the river to be on the other bank, you'll have to cross another river then, and there are several banks, and I think that's so unique and so rare for a city to have two different rivers. Just another point to Lyon. I suppose we are adventuring into more of a residential area of Lyon because we are on a search of a very particular patisserie. Fingers crossed it's open, but look how cool this area is. I think it's absolutely cute. Just imagine living with a little garden like that in front of your house. Wow! Here it is, guys. We're so lucky today. It's open and I can't wait to see what's inside. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video from Lyon. I certainly enjoyed today. The city is lovely and I'm definitely planning to come back here maybe sometime in the future. As for now, we are continuing our French trip and I will see you in the next video. If you're new here, welcome to Dramatically Expatic. I make lots of travel videos and expat life talks and all the stuff in between, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button down below so you get the notifications of all the upcoming videos. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends so I can make more videos like this. Thank you for being here and enjoy your day.